Hi, Stephen Callahan here at the SJCOE Fab Lab with another Fast Apps script for teachers. We're going to take just a couple of minutes and we're going to work on making something useful for you in your class. And we're going to use computer science to do that. So let's get started. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add a timer button to a slide so that you can get a timer going without needing to use some other tool. Now, we're also going to be covering a California computer science standard, namely 6-8 AP12. And what that says is design and iteratively develop programs that combine control structures and use compound conditions. So we're going to write our program, but we're just starting it today. And we're going to come back to it over and over again and add to it to make something that is useful. Also, it's a timer. We're going to have to update what it says on the screen over and over again. And so we're going to be dealing with a little bit of flow of control as we can create this. All right, so right here we have our slide. Let's go to Tools and then Script Editor. I already have it open on another tab. Here's my code. Let's walk through it quickly. Now I've created a function, my function. Remember, that's kind of how all scripts start, just that empty my function. Var slide 1, so what I want to get is the first slide in my presentation. I call the app slides app. I get the active presentation, and then it creates an array by saying get slides. That get slides function would return an array, but I said, you know what, I want item 1, not item 0. The first thing is item 0. The second one is item 1. Okay, so slide 1 now has the first slide of my presentation. I then made a text box, which is called a shape. It's a type of shape in AppScript called counter. So we took that slide, we inserted a shape, we said we wanted it to be a text box, and we kind of told it where to be and how large to be. That's what these numbers do. Now, all of this information given to this function is called arguments, and it gives information to my slides. Now that I've created this text box, what I did is I got the text from it and set it to be 1 minute. Lastly, so that we can see it, I set the color to pink. Notice here my arguments are color amounts. Commonly in defining colors, we consider there to be a possibility of intensity in red, green, and blue, the 3 colors that our eyes pick up, and all the other colors are mixtures of that, from 0 to 255. So here I have almost all red and a little bit less of green and blue, and what that makes is pink. So I'm going to go ahead and hit run, and I've run my program. Let's see how the slide looks. Oh, there we go. It says 1 minute. Now, we're going to keep working on this and improve our program so that this box doesn't just show up initially, but will change over time. It'll be useful and fun. Bye.